In this help video, I will walk you through a complete process of how to configure the Petty Cash. Before the Petty Cash box can be fully operational, you need to configure it, and this is how you do it. On the Settings option, go to the Petty Cash menu and select the Notifications option. Under Notifications, you can enable or disable notifications, as well as define email addresses as to who is to receive the notifications. The purpose of the Send Petty Cash Day Report notification is so that when you click Close of the Day on the Petty Cash, a detailed report is sent to the manager or whoever's email address you have specified, indicating all the expenses and deficits of that particular day, and in this way, ensuring accountability and good record keeping. The purpose of the Send Low Cash Balance notification is so that when the Petty Cash box has reached its threshold amount, a report is sent to the manager asking them to transfer funds to the Petty Cash box. The threshold amount can be changed in the text field provided under the Notify threshold. We can give it 2,000 shillings, and this is the least amount that the Petty Cash account can have at any one point before a top-up notification is sent to the manager. Then you need to configure the accounts that are affected while using the Petty Cash box. You can either fill out the account number directly, or click on the search button and select the account from your organization chart of accounts that will affect once that specific account is altered. For the Petty Cash account, you can select the Petty Cash account from the organization chart, indicating that this is the account that will be affected during the usage of the Petty Cash. For the bank account, you can select the bank balance accounts, indicating that this is the account that will be affected once money is transferred from the bank account to the Petty Cash account. For the deficit account, you can select the cash deficit account, indicating that these are the deficits that will be observed in the Petty Cash box. These deficits could include wrong change that people have brought back. After configuring the notifications in the account section, save the changes and proceed on with the configurations. To configure new types of Petty Cash expenses, go to the Petty Cash section and select the Types option. The types of Petty Cash expenses should be what you have observed in your organization as the most common types of Petty Cash expenses. A few examples could be transport, office supplies, food and beverages, and entertainment. To add a new type of Petty Cash, click on the New Type button and configure a new one by giving it a name. I will use airtime top up as an example. Then proceed on to specify the account that the airtime top up will affect. I will select telephones and communications, and finally specify the VAT code, and this should be based on your organization VAT setup. Save the changes and proceed on with this exercise until you're finished with all your expenses. After creating all the expenses, create a miscellaneous account that will be for all the other remaining expenses. Finally, save all the changes and you can start enjoying the possibilities that the Petty Cash has to offer.